Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we will help you out by showing you exactly how to get the Eyes of Ender in Minecraft. This is actually surprisingly easy, but it is also not that easy at the same time. It's hard to explain. The first thing you need to do is go to the Nether, of course. And then you want to locate one of these, a Nether fortress. There we already have a blaze. So this right here is a mob that you want to eliminate. A looting sword helps a lot with this, I must say that. And a shield does as well. So let's just follow this guy. And this is the item we want. This is the blaze rod. So let's get out of the fortress for a second. Box myself in to show off what it does. So pretty much the blaze rod is what you're gonna need to make the Eyes of Ender. So you want to put them in your crafting to make blaze powder. Then you want to combine the ender pearl with the blaze powder to get the Eye of Ender. So pretty much that's all there is to it. It's not that complicated, but finding the fortress can be a little bit annoying if you don't have an elytra, which luckily, as you can see, I do. So I hope we could help you out with this video. If we did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.